Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error, that is, sorry we couldn't load the app because your browser version is not supported. So whenever you try to insert stock connector into Excel and if you are receiving this error message on your Windows 10 computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the steps are only applicable if you have Windows 10. Now to fix this error, open Windows settings and then go to apps. Now click on optional features. Now click on add a feature. Now over here type in Internet Explorer 11 and then put a check on this box and then click on install and let the installation complete. So when you are installing it, make sure that you are connected to the internet. Make sure that you are connected to the internet and also make sure after you install it you have to restart your computer. So make sure that you restart your computer. If internet is connected, only then you will be able to install it. Otherwise installation failed error will appear. Also still you are unable to install it, in that case type in services in Windows search box and then click on services and make sure Windows Update is running. So make a double click on Windows Update and then make sure startup type is set to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. If start is highlighted, click on start and then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. And after this you can restart your computer, and after the system restart again go to Windows settings and then go to optional features, then click on add a feature, type in Internet Explorer 11, put a check on the box and then install it. Now here you can see reboot required, so restart your computer. And after the system restart you can try to insert the stock connector into Excel and you should not receive this error message again. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.